haven't forgotten about Sandy's birthday. Have you?
Get out of here. It completely slipped my mind. When is it?
It's on the 9th.
How old is she going to be?
She's gonna be 20.
Is she gonna do anything special for her birthday?
As far as I know, she's gonna have a great birthday party.
Who is she going to invite?
She is gonna invite our circle of friends.
That would be great. We're gonna have lots of fun. Where is he going to have a party?
It depends on the weather.
It's gonna rain later in the week. I hope we can have an excellent garden party.
Please, God.
What are you going to wear? I bet you don't have anything.
Yep, I always don't have a thing to wear. Do you have something suitable or are you going to get it?
You see that I'm not a shopaholic guy. I never care about my appearance.
Come on. You should dress up. The way you dress affects how others judge you. Anyway, what are you going to get her?
I'm gonna get her something nice and cheap, maybe make her DIY things. You?
Beats me. Nothing springs to mind. How about books?
Books? She's not a big reader. She's just a bibliophile.
What about getting some antiques for her home?
Are you for real? They cost an arm and a leg.
Money?
Get something to help her remember you. Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, like, and share our videos.